Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have our sample clip right here. And to get started, all you have to do is hold down your Alt key and then drag your video just like this to duplicate it, just like so. And then click or select the second clip and then right click on that. And then from here, you want to go into speed and duration. And then from here, you want to click on reverse speed. So now when you play it, you would now have a loop video right here. You now have a loop video and now you can just duplicate it just like so. So you can select everything and then duplicate it, hold down your Alt key, drag it just like that. And then you can just go and connect them and then you can select them again and then you can just drag them again and duplicate them. So it would be exponential right here. So you can just do it as many times as you will like. And just like that, now we have a looped video right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.